You have probably heard that words in Spanish can be masculine or feminine. A lot of times you use adjectives with nouns, as in the famous girl. Famous is the adjective that goes with the noun girl. In those cases, the adjective copies the gender of the noun. Mind-blowing, right? That would be in Spanish, la chica famosa. You didn't miss the a at the end, right? La chica famosa. That's what we call the agreement of the adjective. Let's see a sample sentence. Hago un curso intensivo con una profesora divertida. Masculine words typically end with O, and feminine typically end with A. Some special adjectives like grande, feliz, inteligente do not change. Un chico inteligente. Una chica inteligente.